What is happening? My name is Mike. You already know who I am. Listen, just raise your hand if you have some of these preformed concrete steps and they're deteriorating. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair and restore these concrete steps, as well as show you how to fix probably about 85% of your concrete issues using the Rapid Set Cement Tool. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video because I've got a cool project for you. So let's make something cool. Now, before you go thinking that this is just another Rapid Set commercial, I just want to show you how to fix most of your concrete issues. And just like a lot of my videos, I simply want to give you another valuable tool to put in your tool belt. And I'm telling you, if you can master this product, there's not a lot you can't fix. So, why do they call it Cementol anyway? It's not a pure cement by any means, but like a pure cement, it has no rocks in it. It has a very fine silica sand aggregate, which allows it to go all the way down to a feathered edge. They call it cement all because, well, it pretty much does it all. I mean, this stuff goes all the way up to 4 inches thick, which leaves it open to a wide range of projects and repairs. You can do fine small projects like this. You can do large vertical projects like that. You can even do really cool projects like this. You've got to wait till the end of the video to see that one. So this project's going to start off like any other project with good prep. Make sure it's clean, free of loose debris, free of oils and greases, and especially free of paint. Then wet the substrate down, no puddling of course. Not only will this keep the product hydrated, but it will also help it bond to the substrate as well. The other great feature of this product is that it doesn't require any kind of bonding primer to bond to existing cement. Now if you're mixing up small portions, the mixing ratio is 4 parts product to 1 part water. And mix it with a paddle. A 12-inch steel trowel is my weapon of choice. And just simply spread it around. Then I just start underneath these bull noses and just smooth it up. And then I can take a lot of this material that's falling down here, scoop it up, and just bring it up these risers on the side. Now, before I move on to the next step, I want to take a sponge and just get it damp. I don't want this sopping wet. And before this product gets a chance to start to set up, I just want to take my sponge and lightly smooth out any imperfections. I'm also creating kind of a non-skid texture. These are steps. We don't want to slip on them. Also, make sure you trim the bushes first before you start on a tedious project like this. Now I'm just going to mix up another batch and move on to the bottom step. The beauty here is that even if you're real sloppy like this, you can even it all up with this sponge, no problem. when you start getting light spots like these, that's when you know it's starting to set up. That's when you want to water cure it for 1 hour. Keep it saturated, keep it hydrated. Let's do another repair while we're at it. So we know that we can go horizontal with this product. We can go vertical with this product. We can do ramping applications from a feathered edge to 4 inches thick. We can fill in cracks, spalls, and voids and paint over them in 1 hour for an almost seamless repair. It even has anchoring applications. But I still just want to take this product just one step further. Let's make a bird bath. What? Yeah. All right, so I'm borrowing this mold from a friend, but you can get these molds online just about anywhere. And I'll leave a link down below for this particular one that I used today. So thank you, Paul, for letting me borrow your form. I believe it takes about a bag and a half for this particular mold. And a little bit of patience, I'm gonna be honest with you. Missing 3. I'm missing 3. Ha! There's also a little crack right here. I just want to seal up with some duct tape. All right, let's mix and pour this bad boy. Bucket of water, empty bucket for mixing, cordless 18-volt drill, nylon bristle brush, 2.5 quart measuring bucket, bucket scraper, 2 bags of cement tall, and 4 packets of flow control. 5 quarts of water. And stir. 2 packets of flow. It only fills it up like halfway. We're gonna do like just a half bag. Mallet. Work all those bubbles out. And I'll see you in an hour. Let's see what we got. Oh my god, it's steaming. It's so hot still. Bottom doesn't want to come out. Paul, how do you get the bottom out? Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Oh. Nice. And just like that, in 1 hour, we got a bird bath. Now, you don't have to glue these two pieces together, but if it's gonna be permanent and you do wanna glue them together, you can either glue these together with the Rapid Set Flexible Construction Adhesive, the Fast or Ultra Fast Anchoring Adhesive, or you can even cement them together with Cementol. And of course, you can seal this with any number of sealers as long as it's for outdoors and as long as it's for concrete. That's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing so. I promise you won't regret it. And I'll see you in the next video. I still can't get over how smooth this is. Look, it's so smooth.